Welcome back to Wisdom Tales, where we dive into stories with powerful lessons. Today, we bring you a tale emphasizing the dangers of anger and the strength of patience. Let's begin our journey. In a dense, sprawling forest, a king found himself hopelessly lost and gripped by an overwhelming thirst. As his throat parched, hope seemed distant until his eyes caught a glimpse of salvation. From a lone tree, small, glistening droplets of water fell to the earth, a rare sight that sparked a glimmer of hope in the king's heart.
Ah, at last. Let me gather these precious drops.
With patience born of desperation, the king fashioned a bowl from leaves, slowly collecting the water, drop by drop.
Finally, I shall quench my thirst. What mischief is this? All my effort, wasted.
Undeterred, the king refilled his leafy bowl, only for the parrot to thwart him once more. Enraged beyond reason, the king unsheathed his sword, vowing to protect his next attempt at any cost.
This ends now.
With the parrot gone, the king sought the source of the water. What he found at the tree's branch was a revelation that would change him forever.
A poisonous dead snake. The parrot. It was trying to save me.
In his blind anger, the king failed to see the parrot's warning. It was a costly lesson in the perils of haste and the virtue of patience. Anger, like fire, consumes, but patience can extinguish the flames of fury. Remember, a moment of patience in a moment of anger can prevent 1,000 moments of regret. Stay wise and stay kind. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening tales. See you in the next video.